Part 5. Detailed Cleaning. A more thorough cleaning should be performed on an as-needed basis only if a cleaning card did not resolve your issues. To access the internal components of the scanner, first remove the outer covers by lifting straight up. Repeated misfeeds or double feeds may be caused by a worn separator. The triangular separator piece may be lifted straight up and rotated to a fresh side or replaced entirely. The main feed rollers, which can be identified by their brown color, can also be lifted straight off and cleaned or replaced. Both the feed rollers and the separator typically wear out only after extremely prolonged use. The scanner's image sensors can be accessed by removing the front and rear image sensor walls as shown. Clean the image sensors with a digital check swab or an alcohol wipe. Be sure to clean the image sensor glass first before moving on to the plastic walls and surrounding areas. The removable image sensor walls can also be wiped clean. Please be sure to avoid the felt pad that collects excess ink from the endorser. Older models of the SmartSource Professional have a removable felt pad that can be replaced when it becomes saturated with ink. Newer models have an extended life felt pad that is built directly into the image sensor wall. When you are finished cleaning, replace the image sensor walls by sliding them over the metal guideposts. Then, replace the external covers.